Alright, so immediately when I see secant squared, this is a lot easier than you can even imagine. Okay? So remember the relationship between secant and cosecant, or I'm sorry, cosine, is that secant is secant of theta is equal to 1 over cosine. Alright? Of theta. So in other words, it's the reciprocal. So then over here, I would say that secant of theta is equal to 18 over 2 times the square root of 17. Now, normally I would say rationalize the denominator and all that stuff, but actually, because we're going to square it, I'm going to square this side, and whatever I do on one side, I'm going to do to the other side. So then, what do I do there? Well, on my next line, I've got secant squared of theta is equal to 18 squared all over 2 squared times the square root of 17 squared. Well, what's all that stuff? Well, let's find out. We've got 18 squared, 324, all over 2 squared, which is 4, and then times 17. Alright. Now I happen to think that 324 divided by 4 gives me a number, which is 81. So when I do that, this divided by this becomes 81 all over 17. Now 17 is a prime number. So that's I'm pretty sure that's the final answer. Yeah. So the reason I said it was prime is because we got to think about simplifying it. You want our fractions in the simplest form. Well, 17 is a prime number. I can't break that down anymore.